यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जोश सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनता है आशियाना, पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनता है आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है, तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। Imaging session in which we are going to conduct a mock interview session for head boy and head girl of middle wing. Today I have with me my co-host Mrs. Anju Rai. Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Hello everyone. I'm Anju Rai. I'm teaching English subject here and I'm very delighted to introduce myself that teaching is my not even profession. This is my passion also. Thank you ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much Anju ma'am. Before proceeding further, I would like to introduce all our four candidates. Today we have Miss Shivanshi from grade 7 with us, Master Yash Kumar from grade 7. Our next candidate is Miss Savi Batra from grade 8. Last but not the least, Master Dipanshu from grade 8. So, one by one, we will move to these candidates and try to get their views. First of all, let's move to Master Dipanshu. Hello, Dipanshu. Would you please tell us something about you?
Hello ma'am, I am Dipanshu, student of 8th standard in RPS Public School. I am 13 years old. My father's name is Mr. Rajesh Yadav and he is a maths lecturer. My mother's name is Mrs. Nanita Yadav and she is English teacher. I have one sibling, her name is Jivika and my hobbies is to play cricket, gardening and painting. That's all about me.
Okay, now let's move to our next candidate, Savi Batra. Hello, Savi. Would you please like to tell us something about you?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, judges. My name is Savi, and it's mean green in Punjabi. The student of RPS Public School, and I'm in 8th grade. And my hobbies is to play. My hobbies is to draw, and I love to read books. And I want to be a doctor to give some free services to poor people, as I think money is something, but not everything. Thank you.
Good views. Very good views. Do you have? Now, Dipanshu, may I ask you some questions, please?
Yes ma'am.
You are a student of RPS. I must say the RPS. So I must say that here, what skills do you hope to gain while studying in such an amazing institute?
Ma'am, I hope to gain the best education in the RPS and I want to become a good public speaker.
Okay, so you are already the student of this institution. Can you tell me the two best qualities of RPS?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the teachers of the RPS are very supportive and the school does not focus on academics as well as they focus on versatile development of students.
Yeah, that is very important for the all over development. Thank you so much, Dipanshu. Now let's move to our next candidate, Savi. Savi,
Yes, ma'am.
hello. Beta, you introduce yourself quite impressively and you mentioned many things about you. But as we know, we all are human beings and we have some limitations. Would you please tell us any of your weakness?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a fear of maths. I lose my confidence when I start solving maths. So you can say I have a lot of fear of maths.
Okay, but as per my knowledge, you are a good student also. That's why you must have some strength. So please tell us about your strength.
Ma'am, I think I'm a good orator at poem recitation and have the power to convey my feelings to others, and I'm very expressive.
Really, it is very necessary to convey the powers in positive way. Now over to Anju ma'am, please.
Okay, thank you Jyoti ma'am. First of all, I would like to ask questions to Dipanshu. Dipanshu, My first question is to you. Who was the first president of India? Who was the first woman president of India?
Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. She was the 12th president of India from 2007 to 2012.
Oh, it's great. You have the knowledge. Very good, dear. So, my next question is to you. What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Okay, very good reply. Thank you, Dipanshu. Now, my question is to Savi. Savi, my first question is to
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
the largest state of India?
Ma'am, Rajasthan is the largest state of India,
Okay.
and it has lot of forts like Jaisalmer Fort, Amer Fort, and a lots more forts.
Have you visited anyone? Have you visited?
Ma'am, Amer Fort, yes, it has a lot of elephants.
Oh, very good, dear. Good. So, Savi, my next question is to you. Which state of India has the longest coastline?
And Gujarat has the largest coastline, and it is about 1600 kilometer.
Very good. What else do you like in Gujarat?
Ma'am, like all the people are very helpful.
Okay, very good. Yes, people of Gujarat, they are very helpful. Thank you, Savi. Over to Jyoti, ma'am, please.
Yeah, I do agree with this fact. Really, our Prime Minister also belonged to Gujarat. Now, we have two
Yes.
more very charming candidates with us. So let's move to Master Yash Kumar. Master Yash, please introduce yourself.
Sharma. I'm Yash Kumar, an RPCN student of class 7th Radiance. My father's name is Mr. Ravindra Kumar, and he's a technocrat, and at present he's working with the government ITI as a principal. And my mother's name is Ms. Santosh Yadav, and after completing her post-graduation and MPhil degree, she worked in the education field for around 10 years, and at present she is a homemaker. My hobbies are to play cricket, badminton, and also to read books.
Okay, thank you so much, Yash. Okay, now it's time to ask question from Yash. Yash, I would like to ask you something. That what kind of extracurricular activities do you participate in?
And well, I used to grab each and every activity, and I have recently participated in speech, debate, quizzes, exhibitions, and some sports activities.
Okay, and RPS is very famous for the all-over development of students. I hope you gather a lot of things out of these activities. Would you please tell me that what, with all these skills, what professional goals have you set for yourself?
Ma'am, as a student, if I talk about short-term goals, I want to excel in my academics, and I also want to improve my communication skills. But if I talk about long-term goals, I have not decided yet, but I desire to be first in IIT and then an IS officer.
And you have good communication skills too. It is visible to me. Over to Anju ma'am. Would you like to ask some questions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, dear. My first question is to you. Which continent has the highest population density?
Ma'am, it's Asia. It has the highest population density, as well as it's the largest continent in the world, and it also lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere.
Very good reply. I'm very impressed. Very good, dear. Okay, Yash, my next question is to you. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
I'm Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he's also known as Sardar Patel, and he served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India.
Very good reply. Thank you so much, Yash. Over to Jyoti, ma'am.
Now it's time to hear something from our very charming candidate, Shivanshi. Shivanshi, would you please tell us something about you?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Shivanshi Yadav of 7th standard from RPS Public School, Rewari. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar, and he is a doctor. and my mother's name is Miss Manju Yadav, and she is a homemaker. I love to spend time with my family and friends. My hobbies are playing games, and chess is my favorite game. I want to be a doctor and serve my country and my people.
So nice of you. You have good motive in your life. So, Shivanshi, you are a strong candidate as I can see. Suppose we choose you as a head girl. Okay, and as a head girl of RPS, you need to make a football team for RPS. What makes an effective team?
Ma'am, for an effective team, firstly, there should be players with a good knowledge about the game, and they should have the good sense of team spirit and respect the feelings of each team member.
So nice of you. Over to Anju ma'am.
Okay, Shivanshi dear, let me ask some question to you also. My first question is to you, which is the highest mountain peak in India?
The highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga, and its height is about 8,586 meters, and it is located in eastern Himalayas.
Very good, dear. Okay, dear, my second question is to you, which color symbolizes peace?
White color symbolizes peace and it also symbolizes purity, freshness, and cleanliness.
Very good, very good. Your answer is excellent. So, actually, I just also want to know which is your favorite color, dear?
My favorite color is white only, ma'am.
Oh, that's good. You also want peace in life. That is okay, good.
Yes,
It's a good
ma'am.
thing. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Over to Jyoti, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anju ma'am. I must say, all these candidates are the gems of RPS, real gems of RPS.
Yes, ma'am.
Students,
Really, they are gems.
yeah, ma'am. Really, I'm grateful to interviewing with you today. I think your presence in the RPS can add more value to this institute. So really, it was amazing experience to talk to you people. Thank you so much. And I hope whatever goals you have set in your life, definitely you will get it one day. So thank you so much. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.